Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to create a group chat in Slack so you can easily collaborate with your team or friends. Whether you're working on a project or just need to talk with a few people, let's get started. First, open your Slack app on desktop or the web. Once you're in, you'll want to head over to the left sidebar where all your channels and direct messages are listed. Now create a group chat. Look for the new message button. It's that little pencil icon at the top of your DM section. Go ahead and click on that. A to field will appear. This is where you can start typing the names of the people you want to include in the group chat. You can add up to 8 people in a group chat on Slack, so choose who you want to invite. As soon as you start typing, their names will pop up. Just click on their names to add them. Once you've added everyone you want, go ahead and type your first message to get the conversation started. And just like that, your group chat is created. It's a simple way to chat with multiple people without having to create a whole new channel. If this video helped you, make sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more Slack tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.